Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear sonar system, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.